Hey guys, welcome to Crypto Treasure. It is that YouTube channel to help you dive right in to discover the treasures of the crypto market. Now, when we talk about treasures, we're not talking about just the treasures of the destinations, the bling blings of the bitcoins and the money. We're talking about the treasures of enjoying the journey in this crypto market together. So with that in mind, we also need equipment and tools to help us to be successful in this particular market. So in this video, we're going to be talking about the overviews of the 5 insightful crypto market data tools you should use in your crypto journey. One of the first ones, Coinmarketcap. Coinmarketcap gives you an amazing overview of the crypto market as a whole, from prices, changes, market caps, volumes, and many, many more. The other part that you can use them for is watchlist. Watchlist helps you to discover new projects or crypto projects that big institutions are actually looking at. That's Coinmarketcap. If you want to have a deep dive into Coinmarketcap, we have another video which we cover in depth what we use Coinmarketcap for. The other one, the second one, is Coingecko. Coingecko, very much like Coinmarketcap, we can actually look at cryptocurrencies in terms of prices, changes, volumes, market cap. But Coingecko also has other things that is unique to it, such as when you go to resources and you look at exploring altcoins and you're looking at the exchanges, you can actually have a look at which exchanges have what coin that you may want to actually buy. So in this case, for example, you can see Binance and you can see exactly what coins Binance have listed on his exchange. So this is the second one of the market tools that you can use as part of your crypto journey, apart from the market data that you can see. The third one, which is one of my favorite ones, is messari.io. Now, messari.io is slightly different from CoinMarketCap and Coingecko in that you have a screener. And this screener allows you to actually see other investment firms that are holding crypto projects that you may not know about or you may be discovering. So in this way, it's an easier way for you to actually have a look at what are the big institutions doing when it comes to investment firms, when it comes to all the big players who are investing in this particular market. The other part about messari.io that I love is the changes in the last 90 days. And you also have that ability to actually filter through and change the filters as you like on the data points and market data that you may want. Now that's messari.io. Now the fourth market data tool that I particularly like to use is OnchainFX. Now OnchainFX, one of the things that I use it for, apart from the fact that you can look at them from the crypto projects that are available very much like the other ones, you can actually look at way back. One of the things that you can use way back for is maybe you're curious, how would have Bitcoin performed, right? If you actually bought it, let's say back last year in 2020, right? You can actually see, okay, if you invested back in December, let's say December 31st, you would have gained 50% as an example. So in this case, OnchainFX is particularly good for that as well. Now, the very last one in this video for us to look at is Coindesk. Coindesk is actually a news platform, but I found this particularly helpful when it comes to Coindesk, the Coindesk 20. Coindesk 20 is a great place for you to actually discover the assets that constitute 99% of the market volume at the 8 of the largest and most trustworthy exchanges. So this will actually help you discover some of the projects that most people probably trading in or investing in, to help you discover all these great projects and learn more about them. At least if this is a start for you, this is a great place for you to actually get started. If this is not new for you, you can actually look at this as a refresher, a refreshing perspectives on what people are actually investing in the 8 of the largest exchanges at this moment in time. Now, one thing to note is it revises quarterly, meaning that we're looking at this from the long-term perspective, right? So as with any other investments that you make, this is a long-term project. So that's it for this particular video. If you want to learn more about the 5 inside crypto market data tools that you should use in your journey, we go over in depth for Coinmarketcap, for Coingecko, for messari.io, for OnchainFX, and for Coindesk in the next video as well. Hope you enjoy this wonderful crypto journey, and we hope that you enjoy Crypto Treasure as you dive right in to discover the treasures of the crypto market. Stay safe and be blessed.